tastes like, yo. They wanna know what it tastes like, yo. All this ice, it tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, pretty, please, baby, won't you got this for me?
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Holly, and I'm back at it again with another video. I'm gonna do an unboxing and installation like I normally do, and this is from Rosehair. They sent me. I'm not gonna show you guys the wig until I'm ready to put it on. That's the surprise. It comes with these little tags in the wig, and the lace is transparent actually. So it's a bob. They call it a bob, I'm guessing. 13 by 6 lace, 14 inches, 180 density. Undetectable transparent lace, which it is big curly. The cap size is 22 inches. The wig part's on the left side, even though I think it's kind of both. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It has no baby hairs at all. It's 1B natural black, and it doesn't have lightly bleached knots. They have all the info for your wig. There you get it. So when you open this box, the wig will be on top for sure. But they did send me a flat iron, and I'll unbox this flat iron for you guys. It's like a lock and an unlock button, so let's unlock it at the bottom. And it's like a twisted flat iron, so I can like curl my hair with it and flat iron as well if I wanted to. And I could probably crimp my hair too. I could flat iron my hair, maybe crimp it some way, probably set it up way I crimp with this. But there is an adjustable heat on it, just one heat. I'm used to that anyway because my cheeks like that. And it's like in the color rose gold, so let's do like that. And they sent me a little booklet on the flat iron. It's called a Liddy flat iron. Sounds like a lot of this thing. A Liddy flat iron. I'm gonna probably try that on the hair itself. They sent me a flyer with all the other wigs they have. And they sent me like a reward. You can get money from sharing your video. Get $30 to $100 in cash based on your video. Then here's like a booklet of like a return and refund if you didn't like. Then they have like scratch off games so you could win. With scratch off games you can win something. That's pretty cool. I'll scratch with my tweezers to see what I win. $80 coupon. So I want $80 off my purchase. Whatever I order will be $80 off. Probably get a frontal from them. Okay, and then they sent me a rat tail comb, which is going to be used for my lace. And this is the box, Rosehair. Their Instagram is Rosehair, and their website is www.rosehair.com, and I'll put that on the screen right here. They sent me this little makeup bag. It's pretty cute. I'll probably use it for my tampons and whatever. And in here, they sent me some lashes. They're short, so I probably won't use them. They sent me a wig band in case I wanted like a glueless method with my wig and wear it without the glue. Hair clips is gonna be used to handy when I'm putting down this lace. They sent me a scrunchie. Oh, I'll definitely use that. They sent me some new tweezers because Lord knows I need some damn tweezers, okay? And they sent me a hairnet, and I don't use these hairnets because I like to make my thing look transparent, so I don't use that. Another scrunchie and another clip. So I'm gonna keep the scrunchies out, and I'm gonna put the wig cap back, the elastic. I'll put all that back because I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna probably use that bag and put it in my purse. But let's get started on the video. Okay, so you guys made another routine. What I do is always put on the wig cap and I spray it with the Got To Be spray. And now let it sit and dry. So you guys know the regular routine where I add makeup to the wig cap just to ensure that it's all natural colored I'm looking. I'm just checking on the wig cap, seeing where I need to pluck because I didn't realize how thick that hairline was. And I went ahead and add some makeup onto the wig cap as well. I mean onto the wig cap of the wig. The lace of the wig. And I'm cutting off some more of that wig cap just to ensure that I don't have my lace on my forehead. Then I went ahead and added the makeup and I also plucked around it as well. Ugh, ignore the deodorant in my armpit. I didn't realize that. But here I am just making sure everything fits on top of my Ghost Bond glue. And you guys can tell the difference between where I put the makeup on with the cap and the actual lace of the cap. This is kind of a get ready with me and tutorial in one. Ain't that something? It sure is, okay? But I'm just smoothing out the glue, making sure it's adhering to my lace, making sure I'm not missing any spots with this rat tail comb. And while doing my makeup, I'm over here trying to cut off some more lace. And it's not coming out how I want it to come out, but I mean, it is what it is. It's all trial and error. I'm no expert, so I'm just cutting around that lace. Just trying to get it to lay as flat as possible and to look as natural as possible. I'm sectioning out some baby hairs. You know how I get down the baby hairs while my face is baking, so I have to just cut a little bit, cut a little bit at the front, at the sides. You know how the baby hairs go. You guys seen too many of my videos. If you guys are active subscribers, hopefully you guys are. If you're new, hey, what's up? Subscribe. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just licking that baby hair over and over again just to get that perfect soup. You know how some people like that soup. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. This is the final look. I was satisfied with how it looked. It's pretty cute. It's still shedding from when I plucked it and how I cut it, but I like the hair. It's very, very, very soft. I love the hair. I would love for it in like a longer unit next time. So I'm definitely hoping they'll send me some more hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.